Hello and welcome. I want to present the Sentinel Coder One, which is a multi-provider AI coding agent for Visual Studio Code. You need actually just API keys and you can connect to your preferred models. Right now I want to show you our latest updates and a practical work. So as you can see, we have here the initial prompt that I gave it to him. Right now, if you connect with the Azure account, you can access the GPT 5.5, which is amazing. It's actually doing all the coding in here. As you can see, these are the outputs. He's doing backups. He's connecting to Azure Cloud. Is connecting to AMD servers. Is doing a lot of work in here. It also have the RAG memory. I mean, it's very simple to use. You have a lot of options in here. Right now, he's making a backup from for my server and is zipping a folder. Then he will give me the link to download. So you have also the ask mode, the plan mode, and also the boss mode. Boss mode mean that you can use the main model like GPT 5.5, which is the main model. Once you add the Azure API key from the Foundry, and you can use cheaper models or free models to do the job as agentic service, and that's why you will consume very little to do programming. And I actually want to show you the cost. As you can see, it's not long that I start to use the model, but only for the GPT-5 we have a cost like €1.24, and I done also some testing yesterday and today, and as you can see, it's not costing too much at all. I mean, compared with the latest prices on GitHub Copilot, is this is way cheaper, a lot cheaper to use the GPT-5 to code. I don't know the prices for the cloud, but if you have maybe an advanced account with the Azure, probably you can use also other models. Also, we are planning to update with the latest Microsoft AI models, but they are not on the catalog right now. But when they will be, we will implement it in the Sentinel Coder chat. So you can just go to extensions in Visual Studio Code. You can type Sentinel Coder, and this is the extension to download and use. There are already 66 downloads, but until today it wasn't working very well because it was just a concept. But yesterday and today updates and is properly working. Then in the Sentinel, if you have issues, you can now choose the Azure GPT 5.5, and actually it will correct all the problems from the chat you have in here. For example, in my case, I updated this version, but I had some problem with the RAG memory. It didn't save it properly. So I gave him a prompt and he actually solved the problem. actually get into my computer, accessing various folders. Okay, here I rag server not available. Make sure you can fix the memory, and he fixed the rag memory. And as you can see, it has a lot of work in here, working by himself, like a normal copilot. Is actually working great. Okay, thank you. If you like the extension, you can also connect with various providers like Anthropic, Azure, DeepSeek, Google, Grok, Hugging Face, Mistral, and many others, payment or free. If you run OpenRouter, you have also the latest Opus, but of course you have to pay yourself for this. You have to put your keys. Then we have the MCP server, general, and models to use in here based on each provider. So this, when you install the extension, you will not see these things. Only when you add the API key, save, enable, then he will show up to choose from here. Then you have here the skills, where you can add skills. There are already some standard ones, so it's doing from initial a good job. You can also edit and save new skills or add new ones. Here you can choose various tools to use or not to use, and that's it. I hope you will enjoy, and I hope you will download and try to use it. For me, for example, I just switched from the latest GitHub expensive plans to this one, and I find myself very well, to be honest, till now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.